hindi pa binibigay ni Lulu yan. Let's go na. No, this way. Dito ta lang, diha ta lang kay ngano, dagan kay jeep dito. Dagan auto. Naku, 16 minutes pa ta lang. Diyos ko, dapat na 30 minutes na ako. Para pag uwi sa bahay, kunti na lang. Minutes pa lang. Tara, let's do it. Na traffic man masyado. Traffic. Napagod na siya. Hey. Na-tired na ikaw? Hey. Oh. What's that? Hey, may isang aso kasi oh. Ang sexy ni ate. May isang aso doon. Let's go na. Napagod ang among baktin. Because Hehe is very fat na kasi. Pareho na kami ni Hehe. Ang laki na ng namin, katawan. Kaya pagod na siya maglalakad. Siguro we stand by here for a while, then we go home na Hehe, ano? You're very tired na Hehe? You're shaking! Sus, kawawa naman to. Papagod na to. Okay, we just stand by here. Hehe, come here. Ayan. Take a rest. Hello, babes. Ano ba ako? Ano man tawag nun? Blurred ba? Hindi. Iba kasi pag maglakad-lakad ako kasi blurred kasi yung ano. A whole new world. Turn around. Every now and then I get a little bit nervous that I'm never going down. Turn around. Every now and then I get a little bit terrified and close to me. Turn around, bright eyes. Every now and then I fall apart. Shout out kay Rakisha babes. Ayan, good evening babes. Thank you for coming. Then I fall apart when I need you now tonight. When I need you more than ever. When I only hold me tight. We're very tired dahil naman. We're very tired dahil naman. Ay, kapulo niya siya nangihi, oy. Kapulo nangihi. I can see your eyes na hihi. Where is your eyes? Salamat po. I don't know what to do. I'm always on the dark. Spark. When I need you tonight. What? Masyadong traffic, oh. Traffic.